Hello, so I have second camera that I haven't used it yet. It's Chinon CE-5. I'm gonna put one film inside for my 400. Voila! I'm gonna shoot all on auto because I can. Rožite, lahko vidim. Okay, I shot 3 because last time I loaded the film, I made one shot and then camera broke, so I put film outside, so probably I exposed first and second shot. This is a luxus that you see what you will get, not just sharpness but also framing. Crazy. Ti bi tudi? Samo malo počakaj. I photographed this last day.